Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It's February 27. Hi. Zeb, hi.
Hi.
Mga absent sila sa school because it's
Graduation.
yes.
Also, tomorrow in school it's pizza day, so we get to order pizza.
Okay. So yeah, it's my graduation today. Dad is here, and it's also Papa's death anniversary today. So
Death anniversary.
yep, it's been 4 years
Wow.
that my Papa is gone. So I hope that Papa's watching and proud of me.
Exact
Iiyak
same day
yan.
on your graduation.
Okay, so yeah. Laters. It's 11:23. The ceremony is yeah. What time? 1 o'clock. So kailangan tayo maaga kasi hanap pa ng parking, magpi-picture. On the way na rin sila Sheena Marie and si Jen. So yeah, dapat maka-picture kami. And kami din with my toga outside. So yeah. Yeah, I did my makeup. Sana okay. Okay naman. I feel okay naman. Okay naman, Daddy. Maganda yung sama.
Naman yung toga mo, no? Yung...
Nasa bag. Yeah. So yeah, layers, guys. Ayan na, guys. Andito na kami. Actually, kanina pa. Nakalimutan mag-vlog. Pero, ayan. Magulo. Chaotic. And, kailangan ko naman mag-vlog. Parang oily ako. So, pupunta na ako sa line ko. Iwanan ko na sila. They have a seat upstairs. So, iwan ko yung camera kay Daddy para mag-vlog niya ako crossing the station. So, ayan.
Saan na yan? Hi.
Glorious and free, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Please be seated.
Yeah.
announce today's platform party. Members of the platform party, please stand to be acknowledged when you hear your name. Dr. David Ross, President and CEO. David Erickson, Chair, State Board of Governors. Ceremony duly assembled for the conferring of parchments. I would now like to invite SAIT's President and CEO, Dr. David Ross, to bring his greetings to the graduating class.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. That was pitiful. Good afternoon, everyone.
Melanie Lim. Kiara Marie Lores. Noeme Joyce Latte.
Okay, the next one.
Roxanne Lores.
Okay, here's one.
Melanie Lim.
Let's go!
Kiara Marie Lores. Tanmi Kaur Makar. Brandon McCullum. Jalen Manilius.
Okay guys, we are done.
On the 14th Avenue Northwest.
Kain muna kami at wala akong mga kain. Sobrang gutom from morning. Kasama namin sila Sheena. Pero si Jen kasi dyan yung ano niya, mama niya from Pinas. So, kain sila somewhere. Pagod yung ice ko. Kaya, tumagal na yung makeup. Hindi pa ako oily in fairness. That is it. Tapos na kami kumain. Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Guys! Viewers! Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Sobrang gutom. Ay, tapos na.
Viewers, so I have something to tell you. Water tastes like water because water is water. I'm going to tell you too. Noodle also my solid triggers volcanoconiosis. Also, I have one more thing to say. Hypophysis says crocodiliphobia.
Okay.
It's a fear of Latin words. So I told someone the word hypophysis and crocodiliphobia, and if they have hypophysis and crocodiliphobia, they'll be scared when I said hypophysis.
Okay, thank you. Hey guys, we're home. Grabe pagod. 6:30 na. Ang asak na ng mata ko. I feel like may something inside. Nagtanggal na ako ng contacts kanina, even nung on the way pa lang kami sa kakainan. Tapos nung pagkatapos naman nung namin kumain, sa sasakyan tinanggal ko na yung pilik mata ko. Kasi parang may napupuwing sa akin sa loob. Dito lang sa side na to. Kanina pa ako nagkukot-kot. So, gusto ko na maghilamos. I want to end the day. Nag-picture-picture pala muna ako. Grabe, ang mahal ng flowers. Bili ni Daddy, $80 doon. Doon sa lobby, nagbebenta kasi. So, although kasi wala rin time si Daddy na bilhan niya ako ng flowers like from outside. Mas makakamura kung sa labas ka bibili. Pero since magkakasama kami the whole time, hindi niya ako masusurprise. So, eto, na-surprise talaga ako kasi inabot to sa akin nung nag-meet na kami. Nag-meet kami after na nung ceremony. So, pero that flower came with this. And it says grad. Yeah. Although walang SAIT logo. So, isa to sa nagpamahal. Siguro 60 to. That's 20 yung flowers. And then we also got pins. Alumni pin. Yan. And of course, we get to keep the cap. Yung gown itself. We had to return that. Tsaka yung yellow na ganon. Ito lang cap sa amin, sabi nga ni Daddy. Hindi po ba yung kasama sa tuition niya? Siyempre hindi, kasi yung nagpaparenta ng gown is an independent, company. Nagpaparent lang talaga sila. Anyway, so, pag-graduate, unless yung damit nyo na susuot may bulsa, pwede wag na kayo magdala ng like sling bag. Nagdala ako ng sling bag kasi nga phone, lipstick, and all of that. Dahil yung toga o yung gown, walang pockets yun. So, kailangan free yung kamay mo kapag akit ka sa stage and kukunin mo yung diploma. So, yeah. So, the whole time, suot-suot ko to for my phone nga and lipstick, tsaka yung contact lens case ko. Kasi just in case mapagod yung mata ko, I can easily remove it. Anyways, yun lang for our graduation vlog. Tapos na. This is officially the end. Well, actually, officially, nag-end yung aking international student era is nung December pa. Pero, eto na, parang sealed with a kiss. Oh yeah, I forgot pala to take picture of my diploma. Ayun na siya. Tada! Tayo ay officially diploma holder dito sa Canada. Ayan. Anyways, thank you Lord for everything. Thank you sa aking asawa. Very supportive. And yeah, sana nandun yung papa ko kanina habang tumatawid ako. Tumatawid habang habang nasa stage ako. Nagulat ako, ang lakas ng hiyaw nung ako nung tinawag. Hindi ko na-expect. Parang takot off guard talaga ako. Merong live streaming, by the way, yung ano namin, graduation. And then meron, I think nasa YouTube channel din ng school ko. So, pwede ko pa siyang i-replay hanggat gusto ko. Anyway, the whole ceremony took 2 hours. Pero, syempre, after that, picture, super daming picture. Kawawa talaga yung mga bata kasi gutom talaga sila. Like, sinabihan ko naman sila na they have to eat something here sa bahay bago kami umalis. Tapos, umalis kami ng 11. Ang ceremony is 1. I was expecting na pagdating namin doon, makakakain pa. Pero, we didn't have time to eat. So, wala. Gutom na gutom yung dalawa. Wala ka naman mabibili ng food doon mismo sa auditorium. Yung iniisip kong kakain doon sa school, tatawid ka yung building na auditorium namin nandito. Tapos yung pinaka main campus is somewhere. Nandito, tatawid ka. So, masyadong, time consuming pa kung pupunta pa doon and all of that. Tsaka nagpipicture-picture nga kami. So, wala. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna remove my makeup na. Hugasan ko yung mata ko para may nakabara. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye! Good night, guys!